Alright, now that I got this rear bench seat out, I just want to make a quick video and show you the little things. There is a bolt there from the inside of the face of this. Is an 84, by the way. On the face here and on the face there, I took those face ones out. That guy there, to get this off, there was 3 screws. One, and then there's second up in the wall here, and then another one right down on this side of this. These 2 guys, a plate and a screw here, and the matching one on the other side right there. So that's 1, 2, 3. There was a guy there. 4, 5, 6, 7 to get this out, and then the 3 on that to get that out, and then this to get this armrest off. It actually hooks and slides forward into there, and then there is a screw right there that holds it on the back. And that was what it took to get this rear bench seat out. Okay, so that big thick black wire comes in. And that one black wire goes to that one nub down low. Looks like I don't need to disconnect any of the thin wires. All of the thick wires are coming off of the thick one. All these little guys coming out of there are all going into guys here. The green one shoots up there, so that big green one needs to come off. That guy needs to unscrew. That guy can stay with all them little guys on it. That black one needs to come out as well. And then you got to think about those power lines coming in to this box. Maybe I can just unscrew it and free it. No. About to see. Okay. A little bit of progress here. So, how does this guy come out? You gotta take off the faceplate. Remember seeing that on a YouTube video. And then there are, unfortunately, I had started released all these guys' bolts and started to pull this and realized that electrical is really connecting that thing. Once I got the little tubes and stuff off, connecting that guy and the tube from the outside, those guys right there are connecting that sucker. I gotta look into more on what that electrical is doing and how tricky it is to release that whole thing based off those guys. This was pretty easy, like the videos, pretty easy. Took that cap off outside. There are 2 lines of these copper lines here, one on the back there and one down around the side, and thread it in there, and just unscrew those suckers. And I got that guy in there to do it. So got those loose, jiggled and wiggled, tilted the whole bottom end out and just kept ripping on that sucker because those guys go up behind a board back there. right there on the bottom of this, there's a board, and those pipes tuck up so that board runs right out there. So you got to yank on that and kick this whole bottom end out while you're giving it a good pull, and it comes on out. So 2 screws this side and this side holding the fridge in, 2 screws in this side, they're there, and I think that's what it all was about, holding it in. There's that one little screw right there that was holding the faceplate on. Other than that, it was 3 screws, I believe. So that is that for now. And then the last little thing on the fridge here, connectors. It's the last thing holding it in, and it is the big white one and the little black one, and that'll do it. So this little box actually runs over, and this guy plugs in right there. So run him out. There it is. The fridge is free.